When the child class object is instantiated, like you have done in the multi-level test inside the main method, the JVM automatically instantiates its parent class first, and then it instantiates the child class version. It does it by using the constructor. Since we didn't provide any constructor here, the compiler will inject the default constructor. The JVM will call the default constructor for the parent first and then the default constructor for the child. Let's see that in action by creating few more classes. Let's analyze it. We'll use the JDK analogy for it. So let's start with JDK version 6. The current version of JDK is 8, Java Development Kit 8. But every version extends some features from the previous version. So let's create a class called JDK6. Finish. Define a constructor in here, JDK6. Sysout instantiating JDK6. Right click, new class JDK7. And this class should extend a superclass, so we can either use the extends keyword and type it once we hit finish, or here, right here, you can browse, click on the browse button and remove the java.lang.object, search for JDK6. This is the class we have just created before this class. So select that, hit OK, finish, and Eclipse will automatically add the extends keyword and it extends JDK6. Double click to maximize, add a constructor JDK7, sysout within double quotes instantiating JDK7. And one last class, you can copy this, Control C, paste it on the default package, Control V, change the name to JDK8. Automatically it has suggested JDK8. So let's use that, hit OK, open JDK8, and it should extend not JDK6 but JDK7. Change the system.out.println to instantiating JDK8. So we have created three classes, JDK6, a constructor, JDK7, the constructor, JDK7 extends from JDK6, and JDK8 finally extends from JDK7. It has its own constructor. Right click, say new test class, JDK multi test. Select the main method, finish. Control D to delete this line, double click to maximize, simply instantiate JDK8. JDK8 is equal to new control space JDK8. Right click, run as Java application. And if you see the order in which the constructors are invoked, the JVM first instantiates the parent class, which is JDK6, then JDK7, and then JDK8.